What if the smartest camping gadgets were also the most affordable? Welcome back to Trek Gear, where we spotlight clever outdoor gear you didn't know you needed. Today, we're diving into 20 of the most brilliant camping gadgets, all under 50 bucks. Some are compact powerhouses, others solve problems you didn't know you had. Let's get into it. This little beast does way more than just light up your tent. With 18 high-powered LEDs, it casts a full-circle glow that'll make midnight tasks way easier. But here's the kicker. It's also a fan. Its fold-out blades and 360-degree rotation mean you get a solid breeze on sweltering nights. And it's lightweight enough to hang or prop anywhere. Powered by just 2 D batteries, it runs for up to 37 hours straight. For under 20 bucks, this is a must-have for every camper's kit. Say goodbye to frozen fingers with these smart rechargeable hand warmers that heat up in just 3 seconds. With 3 temperature settings, built-in sensors, and an auto shut-off feature, they're as safe as they are toasty. You get 2 in the pack so you can warm both hands, or share one with a friend. Perfect for early morning hikes, icy camp nights, or even slipping into your gloves for stealth warmth. AI tech meets cozy comfort. Add instant atmosphere to your campsite while keeping your gear charged. This gadget is a triple threat: 18 feet of solar string lights, a USB power bank, and an ultra-compact design. Hang them from trees, wrap them around your tent, or light up a cook site. These warm white LEDs are both practical and mood-setting. The built-in 4,000 mAh battery can charge your phone, while the solar panel keeps the whole system going off-grid. Pack small, shines big. Affordable doesn't mean flimsy, and the Mora companion proves it. This Swedish-made knife features a razor-sharp 4.1-inch stainless steel blade that's corrosion-resistant and built for real-world outdoor abuse. Whether you're carving, prepping firewood, or slicing through rope, it feels like an extension of your hand. The high-friction grip stays comfortable and secure even when wet. And with a rugged plastic sheath that clicks in place, it's both safe and ultra-portable. For under 20 bucks, it feels unfair how good this thing is. Ever wish your campsite had AC? This neck fan is the next best thing. Designed like a set of sleek headphones, it delivers 360-degree airflow around your face and neck using twin turbines with 3 speed settings. Whether you're cooking by the fire or hiking under the sun, it keeps you cool hands-free. It's USB rechargeable, lightweight, and runs quietly for hours. And since the design avoids dangling blades, it's safe around kids and gear straps. This little stove punches way above its price point. The Coleman Classic 1-burner delivers 7,650 BTUs of steady heat, perfect for boiling water or cooking full meals at camp. It uses standard butane canisters and features an easy piezo ignition, no matches needed. The burner is wide and stable, and the porcelain-coated grate lifts off for easy cleaning. At under $30, it's compact, efficient, and ideal for minimalist campers or car campers who don't want to drag a full kitchen setup into the wild. Meet the all-in-one pump that's smarter than it looks. The Wooin Smart Air Pump is compact enough to fit in your pocket, but it inflates air mattresses, pool floats, and even your sleeping pad with ease. It's got preset pressure modes, auto shut-off, and a built-in LED flashlight, because inflating your gear at night shouldn't be guesswork. USB-C charging means you can power it off a power bank, and it doubles as a vacuum for deflation. Smart, lightweight, and incredibly practical. Yes, you can shower in the woods. And no, you don't need to hang a giant water bag from a tree. The Council Tool FlexTail Gear Portable Shower turns any water source into a pressurized handheld shower in seconds. Just drop the hose into a bucket or stream and enjoy a steady spray that's perfect for rinsing off sweat, dirt, or sandy feet. It's rechargeable, compact, and even includes a suction cup and hook for easy hanging. Under $50 for backcountry hygiene? Totally worth it. Let's keep the momentum going. More smart camping finds coming next. Stay connected when the signal bars disappear. The Quansheng UVK5 is a budget-friendly dual-band walkie-talkie that goes far beyond basic. With a range up to 5 miles in open terrain, it's ideal for hiking partners, family camps, or coordinating off-grid adventures. It supports NOAA weather alerts, has a built-in flashlight, and even features emergency scanning modes. Tactical, sturdy, and budget-friendly, this folding knife from Smith & Wesson means business. It features a partially serrated 4.4-inch blade made of high-carbon stainless steel, paired with a liner lock for security and one-handed thumb knob deployment. There's also a built-in seatbelt cutter and glass breaker, making it a solid tool for both survival and emergencies. With a heavy-duty feel and serious grip, it's a reliable companion for camping, hiking, or EDC. Not bad for under 30 bucks. These tiny fire plugs might be your cold night lifesaver. Made from compressed wood fiber and wax, each plug is fully waterproof, wind-resistant, and burns up to 8 minutes, even in the nastiest conditions. Just fluff the end, strike it with a spark or lighter, and boom, fire. They're ultra-lightweight, compact, and come in a resealable bag. Whether you're starting a fire in rain or prepping for emergencies, these are a no-brainer addition to your survival kit. We're halfway through! Ready for even more clever finds under $50? Let's go! Camping gets messy. Muddy boots, greasy pans, soot-covered hands, and crocodile cloth wipes are made to tackle it all. These aren't your average baby wipes. They're extra large, super tough, and textured to scrub grime off just about anything. Packed with skin-safe cleaning agents, they're great for hands, gear, tents, and even your campfire tools. Plus, they don't tear easily and stay moist for ages. Keep a pack in your backpack or glove box, and you'll never feel stuck without a cleanup solution again. This clever little device doubles as a hand warmer and a power bank, because nothing says smart gear like multi-use functionality. The Okupa hand warmer heats up in just seconds with 3 adjustable temperature settings, making it a winter camping essential. But flip it over, and you've also got a 5,200 mAh battery that can charge your phone or headlamp. Sleek, pocket-sized, and USB-C, rechargeable, it's the kind of gear you'll find yourself using even when you're not outdoors. Lighting your camp just got an upgrade. The Zihu lantern packs 1,000 lumens into a compact, collapsible design that adjusts brightness with a tap. It's USB-C rechargeable, water-resistant, and includes a built-in hook for hanging in your tent or from a tree branch. There's even a red strobe mode for emergencies. Whether you're setting up camp after dark or just need reliable lighting without burning through batteries, this under $50 lantern is a brilliant deal. Ultralight, unbreakable, and ready for any brew session under the stars. The titanium camping mug is a minimalist's dream. Weighing just a few ounces, this corrosion-resistant cup can go directly over a flame, making it perfect for boiling water or sipping hot coffee by the fire. It comes with foldable handles and a lid, and thanks to its titanium build, it won't retain odors or tastes. Whether you're backpacking or car camping, this mug is built to last a lifetime of adventures, and it's still under $50. The Conciote lantern is all about versatility. With 360-degree lighting and a whopping 1,000 lumen output, it lights up your entire site without blinding you. There are 4 light modes, including a soft, warm glow for ambiance, and it runs up to 12 hours on a single charge. You get a built-in handle and hook for easy hanging, plus it's water-resistant and compact enough to stash in your pack. It's perfect for everything from tent lighting to emergency prep, and way more powerful than it looks. Roasting marshmallows or sausages just got a serious upgrade. The Begatter roasting stick is heavy-duty stainless steel with a telescoping handle that extends over 30 inches, so you can enjoy that fire-roasted flavor without the singed eyebrows. It features a rotating fork to prevent uneven cooking, plus an insulated handle for comfort. Easy to clean and compact to pack, this stick adds a whole new level of fun and safety to campfire cooking. Don't let the price fool you. This compact day pack is packed with smart features. The SkySpare hiking backpack has water-resistant fabric, breathable padded straps, and multiple compartments for organizing your gear. There's even a hidden anti-theft pocket for valuables, and a hydration system port for water bladders. At just 20 liters, it's ideal for quick hikes, day trips, or lightweight campers who keep things minimal. Stylish, tough, and practical, it punches way above its price tag. That wraps up our list of 20 smartest camping gadgets under $50. Which one are you adding to your next trip? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always forgets their gear.